As you can see, it's actually generating. Oh my god, guys, this worked perfectly. Back to my brand new YouTube tutorial. And guys, in today's tutorial, your boy will be showing you how you can get unlimited gems and unlimited coins all in your Cooking Fever game. Free, safe and online, without download any mode APKs or any softwares. So just make to follow each and every step that your boy implemented in today's tutorial and you'll be having unlimited gems and unlimited coins. First step is open up your browser, Safari or Google, doesn't matter, and type in address right here. And search your game or app. Okay guys, I find Cooking Fever and enter your username. Okay guys, I enter my username. Guys, please enter your username in your Cooking Fever game or account, of course, and choose your platform. I select iOS. Very fun step, guys. Oh my god. Select your resources. I select maximum. Why not 500,000 coins? Click continue and wait for loads up. Okay, I find this guide only testing in a few times and once I saw it work perfectly and I decide to share it with you. Okay guys, very important step. Okay, wait for loads up. Download 2 app or complete 2 questionnaire. Okay, I understand. I download 2 app or complete 2 questionnaire. Is to just play and play 2 game. Okay, set Open GX. Scroll down and maybe install the TikTok app and run it. Okay guys, I understand. I download 2 app or complete 2 questionnaire and be right back. Guys, all of this app is from official App Store or Google Play Store and working for both iOS and Android devices within a few simple clicks. Quick type, don't use VPN, it might not work. Just use home Wi-Fi or any good internet and you will be fine. Okay, I install and be right back. Okay, my peep, your boy complete all steps. Everything is here. Now, open up your Cooking Fever game. Okay, guys, nothing is happening right now. Okay, wait who loads up. Okay, guys. As you can see, it's actually generating. Oh my god, guys, this worked perfectly. I'm so glad to show you this perfect guide. Leave a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.